Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a 2013 Volkswagen Passat and I will show you how to fold the rear seats. So first open the trunk, and there are two levers which you have to pull to lower those back seats. So for the left portion of the back seat, you have to pull onto this one. And for the right portion of the back seat, you would have to pull the right one. And now this will release the clip on the back side, and you can lower both portions. Yeah. And to put it back in, just push a bit harder to hear that clicking noise, like this. Like this. Yeah, quite simple and easy to do. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like it if it was helpful, and help me expand this channel. Thank you.